On February 20th, at the Sartorio Museum in Trieste, the project Le Mani d'Oro was presented. Before introducing the main event, they started with presenting board games such as cards and chess for blind people. The main event later on was definitely the presentation of a new deck of Modiano cards dedicated to 14 personalities, artists such as Ugo Carà, Biagio Marin, Modotti. The initiative came from the creator and director of the project, Lorena Matic, and the president of Modiano, Stefano Crechici. Also present was Yasna Mercou, one of the members of the jury. Afterwards, on the occasion, they also announced the winners of the organized competition, the students of the Max Fabiani Art High School from Gorizia, who created marvelous designs inspired by the works of artists, mainly Modiano, cards, wise, and also other objects like a phone or chocolate holder. Special jury prize was awarded to Samuele Giordano for Rovesci, inspired by Modiano, who produced the decks of cards with 14 different inverted figures.